In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Google Voice is not available in your country using a simple and reliable method that works on most devices. This problem usually appears because Google Voice is restricted in certain regions, but with the right steps, you can access it without any hassle. To get started, open the App Store on your mobile device and search for a VPN application. Download and install a trusted VPN on your phone. Once the VPN is installed, open the app and connect to a server located in a country where Google Voice is officially supported, such as the United States. Connecting to a supported region allows Google services to recognize your device as being in an eligible location. After connecting to the VPN, go back to your phone's settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then locate Google from the list of installed apps. Open it and make sure the microphone permission is enabled so Google Voice can access voice features properly. This step is important because disabled permissions can also prevent Google Voice from working correctly. Next, return to your main settings screen and tap on General, then select Software Update. If a new update is available for your device, download and install it. Keeping your system updated helps prevent compatibility issues with Google services. Once the update is complete, restart your phone to apply all changes. After restarting, keep the VPN connected and open Google Voice again. In most cases, the app should now work normally without showing the "not available in your country" message. This method resolves the issue by combining region access, correct permissions, and updated software. For the best and safest experience, I recommend using NordVPN. NordVPN makes it easy to connect to supported countries, protects your privacy, and keeps your data encrypted while you're using apps like Google Voice. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly on both Android and iOS devices. NordVPN also comes with a risk-free money-back guarantee, so you can try it without any risk. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN and fix Google Voice not available in your country securely.